like. So I don't like beans, I don't like, marami akong hindi gusto sa halo-halo. So dahil nga ako nang gumawa ng sarili kong halo-halo, this is very special because I only added what I really like in a halo-halo.
Okay, what is it that you really like?
So, I love nata de coco.
Uh-huh.
So, non-negotiable ko yan. I like sago. And this is, ito yung mga recipes na galing, dishes na galing sa Andre Dobo is my own buttered kamote, buttered saba,
Oh, okay.
and sweetened kamote, and black sesame pulveron, and cream cheese leche flan.
Wow, parang sobrang level up ng mga ingredients natin. Kaya naman pala siya nag-viral.
So, inandaran ko talaga si Gordon Ramsay, pero I'm happy na ang nanalo ay estudyante. Kasi deserve nila yung boost na yun.
So gracious. I love that.
And this is cheese because I like the mixture of sweet and savory.
Sweet, salty, the
Yes.
combo. Oh, yes,
So,
I love
yun
that.
yung talagang, hindi kasi ako mahilig sa matapis, but when I have my dessert, I make it a point that it has that salty element.
Para hindi din tayo maumay. We can have more.
So, isuot muna natin itong ating Kiowa air.
We gotta put on the apron because she's a professional like that, okay? Chef Juday in the house. Alright, we're gonna use the Kiowa eye shaver, of course, to do this one. Okay, so we went through a... Ayun, may pala tayo na iyan.
Ay, ayun na. Kala ko, hindi pa ako naririnig. Tumawag tuloy ako ng gusto. Okay, so, it's very, very simple. I love nata, so I put that at the bottom. And ayun yung isa sa pinakamarami. Kumbaga, 40% of my halo-halo is nata.
Parang dapat nasa title yung nata.
Hindi na black sesame. And then, the kamote on the side.
Parang mas healthier din siya.
Konting ko, hindi siya kasing tanis.
Right. Eh, parang
Ng
it's just
ibang-
more nutritious.
Ng ibang halo-halo. That's why I don't like the beans. Siguro growing up, hindi lang talaga ako nasanay sa beans. At saka yung kaong, hindi ako hilig sa kaong.
This is
But
the
nata is non-negotiable. This is the saba, it's buttered. So dahil solidify na yung melted butter, when you eat it, you actually feel the butter.
The
Dun sa-
richness.
The richness of the butter. So I'll add this little sago in the middle. Actually, pag kayo yung bumuo nito, kahit ano, kasi kaya nga halo-halo kasi hahaluin nyo, di ba? So it really doesn't matter.
That's the beauty of the halo-halo, you're right. You can customize it and just
Yes.
use the ingredients na gusto mo.
So, sa two slices of langka, if mahilig kayo sa langka, pwede yung damihan pa. And some cheese in the middle.
Salty sweet.
Yes, and there are black sesame pulveron.
So as in literally you just pulse pulveron and black sesame seeds?
I make my own mixture of black sesame pulveron. We have our own recipe for this in Angry Dogo.
Oh, I see.
And then our ice.
Of course, the all-important.
Yes,
Oh,
so
my
you
goodness.
will be also getting your own ice shavers.
Kaya, ito na halo-halo
Diba?
party at home.
So you can add, depende on, you can make your own flavors of ice. So you can play around. It could be ube, it could be strawberry, it could be gatas ng kalabaw. Kung ano yung trip nyo, go. Walang mali.
I'm really excited to see the texture of this
The texture of this ice is very fine. Hindi ito yung parang nakalakihan natin ng araw na that you can bite on the ice.
Yes, yes.
This actually melts in your mouth.
Oh, promising. All right.
And it's easy, it's no mess.
Oh, you're right. It's so fine.
It's very, very fine. Parang siyang snowflake. And this comes with a scooper para, cute ng scooper that you can use kapag ka nag-ano na siya. Yung ice ko lang kasi, since it's made from milk, may mga moments that it could get stuck. So, ibababa niya lang, isisingit niyo lang siya doon. May hole yan sa loob eh. Yan, ipapasok niyo lang yung ice doon sa parang ilalim ng gap.
Understandable because the mixture was chopped up into chunks.
Yes.
So you just have to kind of
You
help
just
it
really
along.
there you go. You just
Yeah.
have to put it inside. So makikita niyo po, may ganyan yan sa loob. You put the ice inside of the shaver.
I also really like the color scheme of your halo-halo.
Yes, kasi parang sa panahon ngayon, you also have to you have to incorporate the aesthetic.
You eat with your eyes first.
Oo, di ba? Hindi ka na nga nagdadasal bago kumain. Pinipicturean mo muna bago kumain. Di ba? Guilty ka na. Ako din naman. Ako rin naman. So, like that. So, ibig sabihin, you just have to push it back. Ayan, para mag-shave pa siya.
You know, this ice mixture is doing so much work already because it's so flavorful. We can help it along a little bit.
Yes.
The shaver. Pero ang bilis lang din, no? Parang hindi naman siya nagsa-struggle to shave.
Wala. Kailangan mo lang siyang tulungan ipasok sa loob. But otherwise, yan na siya. Oh, I love it na para siyang snowflake.
Na-imagine ko na yung texture niya actually.
Eh, ako na-excite
It's
pa.
like melting already.
There you go. Ay, nalagyan lang bakla. Ah, sorry. So, we add our eyes here. Para siyang survey.
Yes. Actually, I mean, you know, if you don't want to do this, you can make your own sorbet.
Yes, yes,
Just
definitely.
okay.
And it's more healthier kasi ikaw ang gumawa. Ikaw ang nagbuo.
And if you're a mom who has kids, I'm sure you know your kids would absolutely love this. And if you're concerned about nutrition, again, you can customize this to your liking.
And this is a very nice equipment to have at home kasi it's also easy to clean.
Oh, that's such a big part.
Yan ang pinakamalaking bonus
Oo.
talaga kasi wala naman tayong mga dishwasher kung masyado dito sa atin.
Oo,
Di ba?
baka rin tayo gamitin yan kung mahirap siyang susunod.
Medyo messy lang tumuin, but you add your cheese. Wala na pala. You add your... Siguro maganda unahin ko yung black sesame. Just a bit, kasi meron na tayo sa gitna.
I like how the black sesame is so glaring with the white shaved ice.
At ang dumi-dumi na station. Sorry po.
Hindi ko nakapinitsin eh.
Hindi ko maiwasan. And some cheese on top. Malinis po ang kamay ko. And of course, this is your cream cheese flan.
Cream cheese flan.
Yes.
Yes.
This is a recipe that I created when I cooked for the nuns in the Vatican.
The Vatican, like the Vatican.
The Vatican.
Whoa!
Nagkataon lang that I was able to cook for some nuns there in their dormitory. And ito yung recipe na naisip kong gawin sa kanila. So I added this also in Agridogo.
Let me guess, they said, July, this is so simple.
Yeah! Napatawag naman ako agad. There you go. So this is your black sesame polvoron halo-halo.
I love it. It's a beautiful looking halo-halo. Again, it was so easy to assemble. Of course, the eye shaver from
Really
Noah
helped. Yun talaga
super
yun.
helped. Yes, yes. I love
So
this.